That's how you do it, baby.
Y'all see that big old puff ball?
This.
It looks beautiful though.
The tip of the iceberg.
If you don't have a puff ball like that, you're not doing it.
You're not real.
And if you're not real, why are you even on this channel, bro?
Get off of it.
What's up, guys? Leah J here, and today we're gonna have something different. We're having our first hair tutorial, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to do short box braids, which is so exciting and so fun and so short. Like, it doesn't take you long at all to do it. Anyways, yeah, I had to close the door. But first, what I'm doing, I'm taking my clean hair. I washed it the day before, and I just had it up in this style until it completely dried. So yeah, I'm just taking this clean hair and undoing it, and basically about to prep it to start parting my hair. To achieve this look, I had 6 bags of Kanekalon hair, some smooth hair pudding, some rubber bands, hair ties, a comb, some scissors, hair decorations, and some pins pretty much. And I'm gonna list all this stuff in the description box below. So yeah. Okay, so if you didn't know, we're doing the rubber band method, and I found this method to be so much easier than any other. And it also saves time. Well, for me it does. And this is also the most time consuming part in this whole hair tutorial. I'm just going ahead and say that. So I do suggest you maybe split this into 3 days if you want to. You can do it all in one day. I did it all in one day. But wash your hair one day, the second day do this prepping method. So first I'm going to split up the hair, put a little part right there, do the section as big or small as you want it. I didn't want it too big, but I also didn't want it too small, so I did like a medium size, and I pinned the other stuff back so that hair won't get into this section. So next I'm putting the smoothing pudding on there, and I love this stuff, like for real. It smooths my hair down and stuff, and it doesn't give a gel effect either, but it smooths it like really good, like really down. Anyways, I'm about to put this rubber band on there. Make sure it's tight around that thing, tight around my hair, so it helps with looking like I grip my hair really well. So yeah. So now I'm about to put some more smoothing pudding on my hair so it can smooth it down. I heard this method, basically when you twist it, you're keeping moisture in your hair, and also prevents frizz, so that's great. I've never done the twist part before. I've always done, just a regular not box braids, but regular rubber band method. So we're gonna see how this goes. But yeah, you're just twisting it down and down and down and down until there's no more hair. And so then you're done with one, and you just keep going and going and going. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, if you want to split this up into 3 days, do so. This really only took me 2. I washed my hair one day, and that Saturday I decided to do this. So I did that first and then put the braids in. Like I said earlier, this is the most time consuming part. So yeah. And please excuse the 2 gentlemen in the back. That's my brother and my brother's best friend. They're really just there for moral support and to be nosy. So yeah, excuse them. Now we're basically almost done. We just have to add the hair now, and I'm telling you, the next part is going to be such a breeze, and literally you could just walk out the house like that. That's low-key cute on some people. I don't think I could pull it off, but yeah, What now?
So now we're about to take some Kanekalon hair. This is some leftover stuff. I have like 5 bags. I think, yeah, 5 bags. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. So I'm taking the hair.
I told him. Okay, I'm sorry.
I gotta get away from him.
Okay, go. Okay. So I'm taking the hair. I'm gonna cut this rubber band off. And yeah, I have 2 sides. I do not want it long, of course. So you really over here acting a fool. So I'm gonna cut. I'm not gonna cut you. I'm just saying. You crying. That's not okay, Sebastian.
That's funny, bro. It's so funny.
So I'm gonna cut this into 2. Okay. Alright, so now I have 2 sides, and that makes 1. This whole thing right here. Okay.
Okay guys, so now I'm about to show y'all how to add the hair to your hair. And I guess I'm gonna be right back. I don't know where I'm going. Yeah, I know I look bad right now, but it's gonna turn out cute, guys. I promise. I had to get that stuff out of my face so y'all can have a better view of how to add the hair to your hair. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I'm taking down that little bun or whatever you want to call it, and I'm taking the first little twist. Of course, we're putting those back like I always do. And so now I'm about to get some hair. Get as much as you want. I wanted mine a little thick, so I got a nice, well, that you need a little more. You need a little more, Leah. Okay, yeah. I wanted it a little thick, you know, not too thick, medium size. Okay, so now I'm taking the middle of the Kanekalon hair and putting it over the twist. And then I'm bringing the twist over, and I'll have the order of twist, Kanekalon hair, and Kanekalon hair. And now since you have the 3 strands, you're just going to start braiding like you would normally do. And you want to do it as tight to your scalp as you can get it. Now, not too tight, but as tight as you can get it. So now I'm just braiding down the hair. I'm gonna finally end up running out of twists, so I'm gonna have to take some Kanekalon hair from one of the strands and put it with my twist hair, and then I just keep braiding down. Okay, so now I've reached the length that I want, so I'm taking a hair rubber band and I'm going to put it around that braid on the end. And now you're done with that braid for now, of course, and now we're moving on to another one. So you're just gonna repeat this whole process. Your girl look like a whole lion out here. Okay, so now we're just going to take some boiling water and just dip the braids. I am not a fan of burning the ends because I don't like that effect it gives when it, like, I don't know, it attaches to other braids. I don't like that. But yeah, we're just gonna dip all the braids into the container. And I'm sorry how I'm doing this. I usually have a better method, but they're short braids, so I couldn't do like what I usually do, which split it into like 4s and whatnot, but that wasn't working. But yeah, make sure you have a towel on hand and don't burn yourself when you do this. But yeah, it's really simple and easy. Okay, so now we're done with the dipping. As you see, I do not like the ends. The ends are terrible. We want a blunt looking end cut. So now I'm about to take some scissors and cut. Now, also guys, I just want to say this. I did go back and cut some more off video because you want it as short to the rubber band as possible. You don't want that hair that's not braided long at all. So make sure you cut more than I cut it in this video, because I did go back and cut some more. You don't want any long pieces of hair. Okay, so now we're going to take the hair decoration bead thingies and just put them all over our head. For the look that I had, I used 2 packs. I wanted a more of a goddess type of look, so I put like 2 packs of these in my head. So yeah, just remember I do go back and cut the ends. The ends are still too long in this video, but I just wanted to show y'all what I was putting in my hair. It's the hair decoration bead thingies. I don't know what they're called, but I put them all over the head in random places. So yeah, you can do the same. Okay, so after I put the bead thingies in my head, I cut it some more and then I went to bed. So let's see how I look when I wake up. I was so not gonna use this video because look how I look. I look like I just woke up, and I don't like showing people my just waking up face. Is just ew. I don't like it. But of course I have to lay down the baby hairs. As you can see, I did cut my hair some more, so yeah. But yeah, we have to lay down the baby hairs before we unleash these lovely short box braids. Yes, Leah. Also, FYI, I have not put the second bag of the hair beads or whatever you want to call them in my hair yet. They're only 1 pack in my head, so yeah.
I need It's easier, so easy, yeah.